Are you tired of waking up groggy, with a dry mouth or sore throat? You might be breathing through your mouth while sleeping, without even knowing it. But what if I told you a simple strip of tape could improve your sleep, reduce snoring, and make you feel refreshed every morning? Welcome to the world of mouth taping. Let's explore how it works and why it might just be the sleep hack you've been looking for. Mouth taping is a simple practice where you apply a gentle, skin-safe tape over your lips before bed. The goal? To encourage nasal breathing instead of mouth breathing while sleeping. Nasal breathing helps filter and humidify the air, keeps your tongue in the right position, and even improves oxygen flow to your brain. When you breathe through your mouth, you lose moisture and expose your throat to dry, unfiltered air. Over time, this can lead to snoring, sleep apnea, bad breath, and even gum disease. Mouth breathing is also linked to anxiety and poor sleep quality. Nasal breathing, on the other hand, helps maintain proper blood pressure, better CO2 exchange, and calm your nervous system. Here are just a few benefits users report after trying mouth taping. Deeper, uninterrupted sleep, less snoring, more morning energy, fewer sore throats, better oral health, and even improved focus during the day. Mouth taping is generally safe for healthy individuals, but it's not for everyone. If you have nasal blockages, chronic sinus infections, or sleep apnea, you should consult a doctor first. Always use skin-safe tape, never duct tape or anything too sticky. Special mouth strips made for sleep are available online. Starting is easy. First, choose a breathable, hypoallergenic tape. Apply a small strip vertically at the center of your lips before sleeping. It should feel secure, but not uncomfortable. You don't have to fully seal your mouth, just enough to discourage mouth breathing. Start with short naps if you're nervous at first. Thousands of people swear by mouth taping. From reduced snoring to improved mood, it's transforming their sleep routines. Just listen to what Sarah said. She hasn't felt this rested in years. Or John. His snoring dropped dramatically in just 3 nights. So, are you ready to try this life-changing habit? If you've been struggling with poor sleep, mouth taping could be the natural solution you've been searching for. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more science-based health tips right here on Health Heal. Have you tried mouth taping before? Share your experience in the comments below.